In this video, I'm going to show you how to collect data from SurveyMonkey. Now, the first thing you have to do here, of course, you have to create your survey. So I just created one survey with a sample question over here, and then you have to go up here to where it says collect responses. Now, whenever you do this here, for the first time, of course, with your survey, you're going to have to start sharing your link. So whenever you do that, you'll then be able to go ahead and get your answers. And then whenever you will be able to get your answers will be inside here where it says analyze results. Okay, so your answers, your data is going to be collecting in here. And to actually get it here, I'm just going to show you in a basically example here from one of my surveys where I do have one answer. There we go. Inside my sports one, as you can see, one response. I can just click on it or click on analyze results here, and it's going to take me right to my result analyzing page. And this is basically where you're going to be able to see your collected data. Okay, so this is your collected data over here. You could also go ahead and export it. You could do the new export over here. And then, of course, to be able to do this, you'll have to upgrade to a paid plan. But this is how you can actually collect your data from SurveyMonkey right in here. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.